Hello and welcome back to Time's Most Desirable Women 2019. हम हैं inching up high and closer to glitz and blitz of the celebrity world. So far, आप मिले 2019 की smoking hot diva से on number 50 to number 26. Time आ गया है to sow the sizzle and meet those fascinating faces जिन्हें media and masses love just as much. Be prepared for some most beautiful moments of your life जहां आप मिलेंगे Time's Most Desirable Women 2019 से on ranks 25 to 1. She represented India at Miss World United Continents 2019 pageant, and this girl is someone who believes in her dreams and strives hard to fulfill them. Hailing from New Delhi, Shreya की smile है worth $1 million, और यही unique beauty उनको ले आई है right here on number 25.
I feel so honored. I definitely want to thank all my fans. Thank you so much for voting for me, and I want to thank the Times of India group and Mr. Vineet Jain for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Most importantly, I want to thank every single person who's been there with me throughout my journey, and my parents, of course. Thank you.
Meet the shining diva on the block, star kid turned sensation, Janhvi Kapoor. Let's hear it for this head-turning Kapoor girl and a fashionista in the making. Janhvi Kapoor, who is stealing all the show on number 24. Making rare appearances and always leaving fans wanting for more, it's a desirably popular star, Diana Penty. अपनी winning smile, photogenic looks, those eyes that sparkle और उनकी tall and trim presence के साथ Diana लगती हैं B-Town की dreamy damsel. With offbeat films, Diana Penty हैं a star dipped in sugar and digged in desirability on number 23. On number 22, Ileana D'Cruz. Slim, sweet, and so worth falling in love with. Ileana has a doz of style, elegance, and desirability. उन dreamy eyes और looks की वजह से वो mesmerize तो करती ही हैं. साथ में Ileana है the girl with the glamour wand in her hand and so desirable on number 22. If looks could kill, Manushi's fan would be dead. Meet the beauty queen with a magic wand, Manushi Chiller, with tons of brand endorsements by her side and living the high on price and impactful Miss World life. It's none other than magnanimous Manushi Chiller on number 21. Predominantly seen in Kannada films, this Mumbai-based girl has made the Kannada film industry her first home and is always true to herself in real life and on social media, which makes her fans all the more fond of her. Bagging the title of Bangalore Times Most Desirable Women of 2019, she is here to spreading her magic on number 20.
Hi everyone, this is Shanvi here. I'm really happy that I got Most Desirable Women Bangalore this year. Thanks Times and thanks to my audience. Because of whom I am, because of whom I've got this title, and I promise I'll keep entertaining you. I'll keep giving my best to my job and to you all always. And thanks for supporting me. Thanks for being there for me always. Thanks for making me feel home in Bangalore. So I'll see you guys soon again next year, let's say. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
She made her Tamil debut last year in the film Petta and won hearts of the fans who love her luscious looks and stunning figure. Predominantly seen in Malayalam language films, she's also a star in the making in other regional films. making her place firm even on this list on number 19. कमसीन और खूबसूरत दिल्ली की कुड़ी है कृति खरबंदा with features so sharp, वो deep brown eyes और कृति का talent worth taking a note of. It's charismatic, Miss Kharbanda spreading her charm like confetti on number 18. Winner of the Hyderabad Times Most Desirable list, Samantha Akineni है वो dazzling Tollywood star who has an immense fan following. यहाँ भी रखती हैं अपनी ब्यूटी और स्टाइल बरकरार हैं Samantha on number 17.
Wow, good for Hyderabad because like we are a married woman as the most desirable is a big step forward for and symbolizes huge change. So I was really pleasantly surprised that we have changed so much, and you know the marital status of a lady is no longer. It does not define her desirability anymore.
Shefali Sood was crowned at the coronation of Miss Diva Universe 2019 and she represented India at the International Beauty Pageant, an epitome of grace and elegance. Shefali hai a sight to behold for men and women of substance. Such a cute and sensuous star, Kriti Senon, just 12 films old and already a sensation. Kriti hai a craze that spends without a warning. अपने otherworldly charm और attractive looks के साथ, Kriti slowly but surely enter कर रही है the league of glamorous leading ladies of B-Town, and here too looking like a diva on number 15. Meet this gorgeous beauty queen, Gayatri Bhardwaj. Gayatri है Times Most Desirable का crowning jewel. Her sleek frame, those तराशे हुए features और वो 100% natural Indian complexion makes Gayatri someone जो है handcrafted for the glamour world. And when on the red carpet, Gayatri दिखती है transformed into a diva with a mermaid-like figure. Those soft and flowing hair और वो bejeweled gown look जो करता है beautiful Miss Bhardwaj की appeal को और भी amplify. Blessed with looks, gift wrapped in appeal, it's Gayatri Bhardwaj, Times Most Desirable पर standing 5 feet 7 inches tall, wearing a sparkling crown and floating on cloud 9 on number 14.
And I'm really excited to be a part of the Times Most Desirable list of 2020. And thank you so much to all of my fans for voting for me yet again, and to the Times of India group for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
आइए मिलिए इस खूबसूरत स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर तारा सुतारिया से। सिर्फ एक ही साल में दिखी है डेब्यूटेंट इन 2 फिल्म्स और बिग स्क्रीन्स पर बिखेर दिया अपना जादू विद दैट इनोसेंट फेस, स्वीट एंड सूदिंग वॉइस एंड अचीव्ड सम जबरदस्त फैन फॉलोइंग। हमारे लिस्ट में भी इस साल डेब्यू कर रही हैं ये हार्ड वर्किंग डैम्सल ऑन नंबर 13। टेम्परेचर कर रहा है शोर और मुकाबला भी होता जा रहा है टफ and intense. It's time for a short break. Milenge with oodles of oomph on the other side. So be right back. Welcome back to Time's 50 Most Desirable Women 2019. रहिए just as curious and glued, क्योंकि आ गई हैं to tickle all your senses. Time's Most Desirable Women from numbers 12 to 1. Beautiful, bindas and full of desirability. It's Alia Bhatt leading the hallway to fame, flooded with brands to endorse and films to lead. Alia hai ruling the charts and a billion hearts. कोई आलिया के प्रिटी फेस पर फिदा है तो कोई उनके लिटिल लेडी पर्सोना पर. Making hearts beat faster and living the swag of the new age sensation. It's Alia ki appeal breaking all records and reaching another milestone on number 12. Femina Miss Grand India 2019 hai Shivani Jadhav. Besides being a beauty queen, Shivani is winning her way up with tantalizing looks and talent ka sharp blend. It's Shivani Jadhav loving the Miss India life on number 11.
Time's Most Desirable list has always had a legacy of its own. I remember as a teenager, I used to be super excited to see who is going to make it to the list every year. And this year, when I get to become a part of it, I think I'm even more excited. Thank you so much, Times, for considering me and for making it happen for me this year. I think it's an honor. It's a big honor to become a part of it. Thank you so much, and I'm absolutely looking forward to this.
फैंटेसी गर्ल जैकलीन फर्नांडिस. जैकलीन ने प्रूव किया कि वो है बॉलीवुड को श्रीलंका से मिला बाय फार द मोस्ट प्रिटी एंड प्रेशियस तोहफा. With such well-carved features, a figure to die for, such a velvety complexion, and her evolved sense of fashion, fabulous Miss Fernandez manages to leave quite an impression. Every woman wishes to have the glow that Jacqueline exudes, and every man wishes to meet Jacqueline in his dreams. Let's cheer for the Sri Lankan beauty, jinka desirability fever hai racing up and higher on number 10. आइए मिलते हैं अदिति से, वो स्टनिंग नेचुरल ब्यूटी जिन्होंने जीते हैं दिल पूरे हिंदुस्तान के और जीता नंबर 1 स्पॉट ऑन द चेन्नई टाइम्स मोस्ट डिजायरेबल काउंटडाउन भी. With that milky white complexion, those twinkling brown eyes, a smile that can brighten up the day or add to that, वो mysterious energy. Aditi hai truly like a dream come true. Seen juggling between Tamil, Telugu and Hindi films through the year, Aditi ने रखा fans across Bollywood and Tollywood को fully captivated. जन्नत की अप्सराओं जैसी हसीन. It's Aditi Rao Hydari ki allure and appeal keeping fans in a fix on number 9.
I feel like a teenager who's just been told that she's the most loved girl in school. Beyond that, it's a very indescribable feeling. It's very thrilling and you're like, ah, thank you.
So gorgeous and glam, Yami Gautam is pretty like a princess star को देखकर fans lose account of the reasons they love her for. Look at that pearly white smile, Yami के फुर्सत से तराशे हुए features and her glowing complexion. Single, Yumilicious, worth every glance and made of 100% grace and glamour. It's Yami Gautam twinkling bright on number 8. Such a खूबसूरत शहजादी of the tinsel town, Shraddha Kapoor. With a face so pretty, a smile so perky, Shraddha woo करती हैं. Also with her rhythmic dance moves और उनकी golden voice. कभी hot, कभी sweet, कभी savory, कभी salty. It's a Kapoor girl with oodles of charm. Shraddha Kapoor desired to the heaven on number 7. Adorable and sweet like a Swiss chocolate, Kiara Advani. With looks like a Shehzadi, Kiara big screen को fill करती हैं with her soft and unmissable charm. Add to that, Kiara की such an addictive smile that leaves people wanting for more. Loved by the masses, media and the music lovers, it's Kiara Advani leaving a desirable trail on number 6. ये लखनऊ से आई हैं अपनी ब्यूटी और टैलेंट का जबरदस्त कॉम्बिनेशन लिए और आते ही उन्होंने जीत लिए दिल when she was chosen to represent India at the Miss Universe pageant last year. Seen in the music video Kishmish, it's Vartika ka never-ending charm that mesmerizes to the core and makes our countdown all the more special with her presence on number 5. बॉलीवुड की मोस्ट लव्ड डैम्सल दीपिका पादुकोण। इन 2019 दीपिका बड़े पर्दे पर तो नहीं दिखी, लेकिन उनकी प्रेजेंस और फैन फॉलोइंग तो बस बढ़ती ही जा रही है। फैंस इनकी टॉल और स्लीक पर्सनालिटी के दीवाने हैं, और क्यों ना हो, दिस एक्ट्रेस मेक्स श्योर टू पुट इन हर 100% when it comes to acting in her films, winning awards and accolades in order. Draped in appeal and carrying the sari look as gracefully as a ravishing red carpet look. Born in Denmark and born for stardom, it's the inborn actress Deepika Padukone touch कर रही हैं the dizzying heights of desirability on number 4. Time's most desirable पर creating a stir, the epitome of charisma. Katrina Kaif. Boys and men skip a beat. Katrina की natural beauty को देखकर, adding a new feather in her cap every year, Katrina देती हैं her best in all her diverse big screen roles. On the fitness front भी, Katrina is on the top of her game. In fact, quite a few B-Town celebs confess करते हैं that it's Katrina who has set the fitness goals for them. Up there and sky high. In 2019, कैटरीना ने रोमांस किया सलमान खान को इन भारत। Fans were left gazing. Critics were all praises and Katrina दिखी all smiles with all the attention. मचाती हर signature bang bang on desirability. It's Katrina Kaif का craze that's impossible to quantify on number 3. She won the title of Miss World Asia 2019, and since then there is no looking back for this girl who had come to the Miss India beauty pageant all the way from Rajasthan to Mumbai with big dreams and aspirations. Breaking stereotypes, creating awareness and empowering women are some of the goals that Suman has already achieved. और अभी भी वो रखती हैं खुद को busy by helping the underprivileged women of her society and making sure that every woman in her community lives freely and independently. और साथ ही उनकी simplicity और humble nature से हो रहे हैं fans उन पे और भी फिदा। A trained Kathak dancer, सुमन है every bit desirable and more, और इसलिए यहाँ भी रखती हैं कदम in her beautiful avatar on number 2.
I am so happy to be a part of this prestigious list of Time's Most Desirables, which also includes names of so many other celebrated stars. I thank all my fans for voting for me and of course the Times of India group and Mr. Vineet Jain for giving me this opportunity.
So delicious and perky, Disha Patani, not just masses. खुद बॉलीवुड स्टार्स हैं दिशा के डाई हार्ट फैंस। From MS Dhoni, The Untold Story, दिशा ने एंटर करा the world of box office and glamour. As Salman Khan की co-star in भारत और फिर in Malang, romancing Aditya Roy Kapoor, दिशा दिखी spreading her ultimate desirability quotient with each look. चाहे वो उनके लटके झटके हो स्लो मोशन में या फिर हुई हो वो मलंग। दिशा है वो डीवा जिन्होंने इतने छोटे से करियर में जीत लिया है खिताब ऑफ बीइंग द मोस्ट डिजायरेबल वुमेन ऑफ 2019. Just 7 films old, this beauty from Uttarakhand is wanted by each man, killing it with each of her Instagram posts, riding high on the pedestal of sexiness and create करती a mass appeal हैं ये एक्ट्रेस जो कभी रहती हैं in news for her love life और कभी फॉर हर oh so gorgeous outfit of the day के लिए। अपनी हर एक तस्वीर में दिशा दिखती है milky white. Add to that those rosy red lips और वो gleaming eyes जो evoke करती हैं a heart full of emotions. For someone an entertaining star, for someone a breakthrough beauty of the year और कुछ fans के लिए an all new fashion icon. It's Disha Patani, a star full of swag and tons of appeal on number 1. अगर ये women थी इतनी electrifying, तो imagine आगे क्या होने वाला है? Beauty meets brains and style meets sensation. Only on Time's Most Desirable People from Television. मिलेंगे with the trend-setting top 20 men and women from the world of small screens in our next episode. Until then, stay safe, stay home and keep watching Zoom.